Say welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome, everyone. There we go. So, this first game, you need to guess what is the picture here. So, what you must do, Peter and Mia, you must ask teacher questions, but teacher can only answer yes or no. So, you must ask questions that have a yes or no answer. Okay, teacher can only say yes or no. All right. So, Peter, do you want to ask a question?
It lives in the
Say that again. Does it live
the water.
Does it live in the water? It doesn't live. Okay, that's the
It lives
first one.
in the ground.
This is where it gets tricky. It
It lives in the sky.
it doesn't live in the ground. It doesn't live in the sky. It doesn't live. So it's not something that is living. Okay, it doesn't live. It's not alive. Mia, ask a question, Mia. Yes or no?
It is red.
Oh, it is red. Oh dear. It can be. It can be different colors. Peter, yes or no question. So it's not alive. It's not alive. Okay. So Peter, you can ask
cup?
about yes.
It's a cup.
Is it a cup? It is not a cup. Mia?
What is sometime in room?
In the room.
Sometime in the bedroom.
It is sometimes in the bedroom.
In a bed.
Is it a bed? No, it's not a bed.
Is a chair.
Ah, there we go. It is a chair. Well done. Okay, well done, both of you. You both helped to get us there. So good job, good job. It is a chair. There we go. Okay, so everyone, today we are going to talk about the sound air, like in chair. Okay, let's say this together. Air. Air. So it's almost like this. It's almost like this. Air. That's how it sounds. Say that with me. Air.
Air.
Air. That's right. So you can see in the word chair, we have air. Air. You can see it in that word. Okay. So this is the sound that we are talking about today, the air sound. Okay. So let's have a look. There are different ways that we can spell this sound, everyone. There are a few different ways that we can spell the sound. Let's say the words together quickly, everyone. Chair.
Bear.
Bear.
Không chơi bắn nữa.
Let me hear.
Không chơi
Bear. That's right. And this one, square. Stairs. Stairs. Where. Share. Share. One more time. Share. Share. Okay, so everyone, can you see there are different ways that we can spell this word or the sound? We can spell the sound A-I-R, E-A-R, or we can spell it A-R-E. Can you see there are three different ways that we can make the air sound? All of these words have different ways that we spell the air sound. So remember, the sound is the air sound, like chair, bear, square, stairs, where, and share. Okay, so let's have a look quickly and let's see if we can say and circle the words. Let's go. So this first one over here, Mia, what do you think this one is, Mia?
Air.
Ah, air. Very good. Yes. So that one does have the air sound. Air. Okay. Well done. Very nice. So that second one is car. That one does not make the air sound. What do you think, Peter? What is this girl? She is afraid. What do we say? She is afraid. What is another word for afraid? If there is a monster at night and you feel afraid, then you say, Mom, I'm scared.
Scared.
Scared. There we go. Scared. That's right. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Well done. So, Mia, can you tell me what is another word for mum and dad? What do we call mum and dad? They are our. Do you know what do we call?
Parents.
That's right. Parents. Well done. There we go. They are our parents. Very nice. Okay, Peter, what is this one?
Air.
Chair. There we go. That one has the air sound. Okay, very nice. Do you know this one, Mia?
Earth.
Earth. So that does not have the air sound. Can you see that doesn't have the air sound? What about this one, Peter?
Pear.
Pear. Very good. Pear. That's right. And the last one, Mia.
Bread.
Bread. Okay. All right. Well done. So everyone, let's have a look which words make the air sound. There you can see air goes air. Scared also makes the air sound. Chair makes the air sound. And pear makes the air sound. Okay. All right. So that is the sound that we're talking about today. If we look at bread, you can see that is a difference, almost the same. Pear, bread. It's a little bit shorter. Can you hear? The bread is a little bit of a shorter sound. It's not the same as pear. Okay. All right. So let's try this page. Peter, you can do the first one. What is this?
Bear.
Bear. Yes, that's right.
Yes.
And this one, Mia?
Green.
No. What shape?
Red.
Square. That's right. There we go. What are these, Peter?
Stairs.
Very nice. Stairs. Good job. Good job. What is this, Mia?
Here.
Here. Very good. And now listen carefully. Can you listen? It's not the same. Bear, square, stairs. Here is different. Here is different. So this does not have the air sound. Okay. All right. So what about this one, Peter? What is this when you give something to someone? You
Here.
share.
Yes.
Share. There we go. Okay. What about this one, Mia? Do you know this one?
Beer.
Ah, yes, this is a drink called beer. Now, this is a different sound. It is not the air sound. Can you see it's different? Beer is different. Okay, good. And when you put clothes on, what do? You what
Wait.
wear clothes. That's right, you wear clothes. Okay. And what is this last one? Mia?
Chicken.
Chicken, yes, that's right. Another word for a chicken is a hen, right? A hen, and that also does not make the air sound. So let's look at which words make the air sound. Peter, bear, does it make the air sound? Yes or no?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. What about this one, Mia? Square. Yes or no?
Square.
Does it make
Yes.
the S? Yes, it makes the S sound. Okay, Peter, stairs. Yes, that's right. Mia, here.
No.
No. Good. Okay, Peter.
Yes.
Share, yes. Mia, beer.
No.
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 Peter, where? Does this make the air sound?
Yes.
Yes, that's right. And Mia, hen? Yes or no? No.
No.
That's right. Good job, everyone. So bear, square, stairs, share, where. They all make the air sound. Very nice. Okay, well done, everybody. So now let's play Gold Hunter. So everyone here, you need to choose one of the treasure chests. And if you find a bomb, then you will lose 1 point for a small bomb. If you find a big bomb, then you will lose 2 points. Okay? So if you find the bombs, then you will lose points. But if you find the gold, then you will get 3 points or 5 points or 7 points. Okay, all right, so let's go. Peter, you can choose first. Which number, Peter?
Number 10.
Number 10. Okay, here is your question, Peter. Which one is the odd one out? Here, ear, bear.
Here.
What?
Here.
Which one, A, B, or C?
I.
Are you sure? Listen again. Here, ear, bear.
Bear.
Ah, that's right. There we go. Bear. Thank you. Okay, let's see what you get for that. Let's see. 5 gold for Peter. Okay, Mia, choose a number.
I choose number 3.
Number 3. Here we go. Fill in the blank.
We live a house we share a house with 3 other students.
That's right. We share a house with 3 other students. Very nice. Thank you. Good job. Okay, that was number 3. Let's see. That's 3 gold. Okay, thank you, Mia. Peter? 6. Listen and circle, Peter.
Share. Share. Share.
Yes, thank you.
Share.
That's right. Share. There we go. Good job. Okay, so that's number 6. Let's see. Wow, 5 more. Well done, Peter. Okay, Mia.
I choose number 4.
4.
It's not number 6. Yes, 6.
It was number 6.
Yes,
that's right.
number
Okay,
6.
number 4 for Mia. Here we go. Listen and choose.
Chair, chair, chair.
B.
B.
Chair.
That's right. Well done. Thank you. There we go. Good job. Okay, number 4. Let's see. 7. Well done. Good job, Mia. Okay, Peter.
I like number 8.
Number 8. Which one is the odd one out? Which one is different? Care. Listen again. Listen carefully, Peter. Listen. Care.
Here.
Care. There we go. Care. That's right. Care aren't. Care is different. Yes, there we go. That's right. Okay, thank you. Number 8. Wow, another 5. Good job. Well done, Peter. Okay, Mia.
Choose number 5.
What do you think?
12.
Square, that's right. A square has 4 straight equal sides and 4 angles of 90 degrees. Good job. Thank you. Very nice. Okay, that was number 5. Okay, 3 points. Well done. So let's see. Peter, choose another one.
Number 9.
Number 9. Let's see.
She often combs her after getting up. Her hair.
Her hair,
After
that's
getting
right.
up.
Well done. She often combs her hair after getting up. Okay, that's the last one for you, Peter. One more for you, Mia. One more.
I choose number 7.
Let's see. I hope that's good
What?
luck.
Number 9.
Oh, sorry, number 9. Let me see what Peter got. Peter got -1. Oh, no. Okay, so let's go via number 7. Are you sure? Number 7. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Which words? Which words? You can show me. You can show me which words have the air sound.
Make indie. No. Chair. 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 Im mồm.
Uh-huh. Ah, that looks good. Yes. Now, I think there's actually one more. There's one more right at the beginning here. I think, Mia. I think this one probably counts. There are 4 bears. I don't know if that one is. This one sounds a little bit different. So this one is a little bit different. Let's listen. There are 4 bears eating pears near the chair under the stairs. So I don't think it's near. Let's see. There are 4 bears eating pears near the chair under the stairs. Oops, oh, sorry. There we go. Good job. Good job. There we go. Thank you. Well done. Okay, so very nice. So this is number 7. Let's see what happens. How many points do you need at the moment? Peter has 14 and Mia has 13. So Mia, you need 2 points to win. Let's see. Here we go. Number 7. Oh no.
One and two.
Oh no. So yes, so let's see quickly. Let's see what is number 1 would have been a -2 and number 2 would have been -1, so that's no good. So you wouldn't have wanted those either. Okay, all right, well done. So let's just do those questions quickly. Let's do question number 1 and 2. So Peter, number 1, can you tell me?
Which word mean be frightened of something?
Yes, which word means to be frightened of something? If you are frightened or afraid, what is the word we learnt today?
Scared.
Oh, scared. Yes, that's right. Scared. Well done. Thank you. Okay, so Mia, let's try number 2.
What was another? Take out this sentence.
So the opposite of take off. The opposite of take off your clothes.
Quay là mặc vô.
A word that has the air sound.
Take out.
No, try again. The opposite of take off your clothes. What do I do with clothes? Wear clothes. There we go. That's right. Well done. Thank you. Good job. Okay, very nice, everyone. So let's look at our story. Where is the story? Let's go back here. And here is the story. Peter, what was the name of the story?
All about polar bear.
All about polar bears. Very nice. Thank you. Good job. All about polar bears. Okay, so now let's see who is going to read. Let's try. Who wants to read first? Who wants to go first?
Mia.
Mia wants to go first. Okay. Okay. All right, Mia, you can read first.
Polar bears live in the Arctic. Their white fur helps them hide in the snow. The temperature is very cold. They have a thick layer of fat to keep them warm.
Mm-hmm.
In winter, they lie around and sleep. Their survive thanks to the fat in their body.
Okay.
In spring, the polar bear families live the cave. Polar bears are very good at hunting. They can find their prey very quickly. they have a good sense of smell. Polar bears are very good at hunting. When their prey hides under the ice, the polar bears can break the thick ice. They are very strong. Polar bears are very good at hunting. Mother polar bears hunt and protect their kids.
Mm.
Polar bears are very good at hunting, but sometimes they stay hungry for a few days when they cannot catch any prey.
Uh-huh.
Polar bears are mammals. In winter, mother polar bears give birth to choose baby polar bears.
Yes, good.
Polar bears are mammals. Mother bears and baby bears live in the cave when it is warm.
Nice, thank you.
Baby polar bears live with their mother for 2 years. They learn how to catch their prey. One day, the baby bears will grow up to be great, strong polar bears.
Very nice. Thank you, Mia. Well done. Okay, let's go, Peter.
Polar bears live in the Arctic. Their white fur helps them live in snow. The temperature is very cold. They have a thick layer of fat to keep them warm.
Warm.
In winter, they lie around and sleep. They survive thanks to a fat in their body.
That's right, they survive thanks to the fat in their body. Okay.
In spring, the polar bear family lives in the cave.
What? They leaves the cave. The family leaves the cave.
Leave the cave. The polar bears are very good at hunting. They can find their prey very quickly. They have a good sense of smell.
Nice.
Polar bears are very good at hunting. Then their prey hides under the ice. The polar bears can break the ice. They are very strong.
Nice.
The polar bears are very good at hunting. Mother polar bears hunt and protect their kids. Polar bears are very good at hunting, but sometimes they stay hungry for a few days when they cannot catch any prey. Polar bears are mammals. In winter, mother polar bears give birth to 2 baby polar bears. Mother bears are mammals. Mother bears and baby bears live in the cave where it is warm. Baby polar bears live in their mother for 2 years. They learn how to catch their prey. One day, the baby bears will grow up to be great, strong polar bears.
Very nice. Well done, guys. That was great. Okay, so let's just have a look. They ask us some questions. What do you like about polar bears? What do you like, Mia?
I like their white fur.
Ah, yes, me too. I think that's beautiful. I like their... Yes, Peter?
I like they can catch many fish.
Ah, yes, they're very good at hunting. Okay, good job. So, Peter, do you want to be a polar bear for one day? Just for one day?
No.
No, why not?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, even if it's cold. Okay, all right. So let's see. Here they talk about, do you think polar bears' home is in danger? Why? How can we protect them? So everyone, because of global warming, because the world is getting warmer and the temperature is getting warmer, the ice is melting, and so the polar bear's home is in danger. And we need to try not to make more pollution, because that is damaging the home of the polar bears, everyone. Okay, so everybody, we talked about phonics today. We practiced the air sound, and there are 3 different ways that we can spell the sound. We can spell it A-I-R, or E-A-R, or A-R-E. Okay, well done, everyone. So it's time for us to say goodbye. Have a great weekend. Thank you, Mia. Thank you, Peter. See you next time. Goodbye.